Alright, welcome everyone. Today's going to be Mondays are going to be my Lego build day. Today's a Lego Speed Champions. For those who aren't aware, basically I'll do a quick unboxing, lay out all the parts off camera, and build through, I'm going to build at high speed. I'm not going to build at high speed, I'm going to show the build at high speed. I don't build in high speed. But this is Lego Speed Champions Lotus Evija. I always thought Lotuses were pretty cool cars ever since that old James Bond, where they had the Esprit that turned into a submarine. That's in the middle of the very camp, funny, sort of halfway comedy James Bond movies. Roger Moore. Okay, no laser decal on this one like there was with the Lamborghini or Ferrari. But with that being said, let's pop her open and see what we got inside. Unibody comes out right first. Actually got interior decals on this one. I see the gear shifter. That's all that's in there. Only 2 bags, and not a thin instruction book, but not crazy thick like some of them are. We got a selection of wheels, it appears. Body, stickers, bags. Alright, so that's what you get inside the box. Like I said, I'm just gonna go around and knoll this out, and like I say, I'll come back and it'll be, depending on the time of the length of the video is to how fast how fast it builds. I try and cap it, but it's some are faster than others. But that being said, I'll be right back with high speed and music. Okay, folks, there we have it. I'm not sure, looking at the rims there, I can't decide. I think I like this side better. I think I like these, the more numerous spokes one, better. These look good, but they're not, I don't know, they're not speaking to me. So. I don't know if I can get the full set on. Alright. Put our little dude in there with his wrench. Oh yeah. Interestingly, the instructions did have it set up to build it American style for this British race car, British sports car. So I just wasn't having that. I put him on the correct side for the cars, not the correct side, period. But you know, y'all can debate that amongst yourselves. Sweet looking little car, I think. I've always liked the Lotuses. I've always liked Lotus designs. They've always been sort of wild, not crazy over the top like Lamborghinis, but they've always had all of the swoops and switches and crazy angles and everything that I think just looks really cool. Plus they're not like ridiculous, you know, they're expensive, but they're not, you know, Lamborghini expensive cars either. Yeah, that's a nice looking build. I like that. I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed the build. I hope you stick around to like and subscribe. Comment, complain, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.